Hi, my name's Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out a bird's tray in the proper manner and without hurting or scaring your bird. As birds do like to stay clean, but you know, they can make themselves quite messy sometimes. This is Charlie, and he's my budgie, and he's very, very tame sometimes. But sometimes he can be quite vicious and might not like people. So, yeah, you may watch. Thank you. So, first what we do is we take out of the tray. Show you the tray. It's got a lot of poo and dirt on there. So, and then all we have to really do is just like pour that in the bin, and then let me just get something. And then the tray, no dirt, got to be cleaned with a wash. And once you've cleaned the tray, put the tray back into the cage, change the water bowls. You're disgusting. Clean it out. Oh yeah, and this is a bird bath. And then change the normal water, which is in a little bowl. Little tin. And his food's okay at the moment. It's still quite full, but I'll have to change it out by next week. So, any questions, please subscribe and thumbs up if you like my video. Thank you, bye. All YouTubes are cool.